What's going on, everybody? I'm Chrissy Whispers. If you've never been to the channel, welcome. If you've been here before, welcome back. Tonight I got a 2-month update for you guys where we're going to go over some numbers, some shipping fees, and some shipping costs, and run some numbers of how we did for my second month, and just going to go over some things that I've noticed and give you guys a little insider information of what's been going on with me. So welcome back and stick around. All right, guys. So for the second month of Chrissy Whispers, officially having cards for sale on TCG Player and eBay and all of that, for the second month we have a total of 23 sales for a net total of $121.45. Now of those 23 sales, we paid $23.34 in fees, and we paid about $20.70 in shipping for those 23 orders, for a grand total profit of $77.18 for the second month. Now, all of these sales were made on TCG Player. I had no cards currently listed on eBay, so I just want to mention that. It's not that eBay isn't as popular, I just have no cards listed there. Things I've noticed, I was on pace to do pretty much an average sale rate of my first month, which was about one sale every 3 days, which up until I listed Fusion Strike, I had 18 Battle VIP passes in my bulk, and when I listed my Fusion Strike, I had 10 sales in literally 2 to 3 hours after listing. All 18 Battle VIP passes sold. This is why I encourage everybody, just even if you don't list and sort and go through every single, list every single card that you have, it's definitely worth just going through your bulk and checking out for cards like that. You have to stay just a little involved with the competitive scene, because cards like Battle VIP Pass, I sold 18 Battle VIP passes for over $1 a piece. I want to say the reverse holo was either $1.99 or $2.99 for a reverse holo common card. It's ridiculous percentage gains on cards like that. If you're buying bulk, you're acquiring that card between 1 and 3 cents, and you're selling it for well over $1. So kind of the reason why I make these videos, just to make people aware that you don't have to have all of the best cards to make money. You could literally make money on the cards that you have sitting in your shoe boxes or BCW boxes or wherever you store your cards. You have a bunch of common and uncommon cards that people need to play the game, and they'll pay you for them. So just a little tip for you guys, check your bulk, guys. There's money to be made. Chrissy Whispers with my second month update. See you guys around. Thanks for stopping by.